G'day everyone. I'm going to try and make these videos really short because I don't want to belabor too much. There's still got a bullish momentum on the weekly, a bullish momentum on the daily, and our hourly is also bullish. Now we did have a projected bearish divergence here, but that's now failed, and I'll go through that in a minute. So first off, on the weekly, our triple moving average on the price chart, the moving averages of the CCI, and our oscillator down here we introduced recently. Watched the video on that one from a couple of weeks ago. That's showing a bullish momentum on the weekly time frame. On the daily, likewise, bullish momentum. They indicated turning up, and you can see there it's actually been bouncing in that range between the support and resistance. Support at 67.12, resistance at 72.70. It's broken through that resistance, and we're looking at higher prices in the oil price, which is a good thing, I guess, if you're going long or expecting higher prices. And on the hourly, again, you can see there's a slight resistance, a light resistance forming there at 73.85 after it punched through this major resistance here at 72.70, as I said. But since our last video, we did project this bearish divergence versus a bullish on the price. Now, as I always say, these divergences always work out unless they go make new highs on the CCI, and that's what it's done now. You can see if I extend that out to that recent high, that recent peak, it's higher than that point, so that now invalidates this divergence. So I'm going to delete that divergence. It's no longer a divergence, so it's moved up, and we can remove that target as well. So that would have been no harm done because it didn't break below our entry level. So it's now reached a new high more recently from the last couple of months, and that's our current resistance at the moment. So that's where we are at the moment. So in terms of our main strategy, we look at the weekly, daily, and hourly time frame, and if they're all aligned, we take long positions in going long, or if they're aligned short, we take short positions, obviously, and reference some of the strategy playlists to understand how to trade some of those if all three timelines are aligned. So get more strategy and information and updates. Subscribe to my Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies, and commodities. Subscribe, like, and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.